Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and welcome to the beautiful Masonicare at Chester Village campus. Today we're going to take you on a tour of a luxurious 2-bedroom, 2 full bath apartment. So come on and join us as we take the tour. Lovely cabinets and granite countertops make this kitchen a chef's delight. The island is perfect for entertaining and opens up to the dining room area, and sliders lead out to a private patio oasis. Completing the open floor plan is a large living room area with plenty of room for your family and friends. At one end of the apartment, you'll find a full bathroom and a spacious guest bedroom with storage. The master bedroom is located on the opposite side of the apartment and is fit for a king or queen, including a private full bathroom just for you. And that's our tour. We hope you enjoyed seeing all the space and amenities these beautiful apartments offer to help you feel right at home. The best way to explore Chester Village is to come in person. Call today for a personal tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.